YouTube, and thanks for watching Junkworks Garage. I've been doing videos for a little over 10 years now. So in that case, a lot of my first videos that still, I think, have pretty good information in them are not being watched at all because YouTube, they're just too old for YouTube to want to use them, I guess, or put them up on their lists. So in that case, also, YouTube is not paying all that well, so hit that thumbs up and subscribe and all those good things. I appreciate it very much. But I am going to take some of those and revamp them because I was not near sadly, I was not near as good as I am now with videos. Also, since I've changed the name on my channel, some of those older ones have my old channel name, things like that on. So I'm just going to kind of cut some of that stuff out, cut some of the talking out, and try and make them a little bit better as far as the editing is concerned. Without further ado, I hope you enjoy my older video here. I decided I'm going to take my battery out because it's pretty caked down there on the battery plate, battery tray down there. And so I started pulling that out, and it didn't matter what direction I turned this thing, left, right, up, down, sideways, I could not get this thing out past this box here. And what it is there's this box here, and it has the fuse box in it right here. Well, just since I'm halfway through it, I'm not going to put it all back together, but I figured I'd show you. There's a 10 millimeter bolt that goes in right here. You pull that out, kind of set that to the side, and then there's two more 10 millimeters that hold it up to the firewall here. Pull that out. Just don't try and wrestle it. It's very easy to get that out of there. You don't have to unplug any wires. You just set everything to the side. You can grab your battery and pull it on out of here. Well, hopefully you enjoyed that and got something out of it. Now get out there and get your junk working. Thanks for watching Junkworks Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.